Hey folks, I just wanted to familiarize you a little bit with how to move around in the Glencoe McGraw-Hill connectEd website. So hopefully you've already got to the website and you've already logged in, and hopefully you've already been able to add the Teacher's Edition to your account and the Student Edition. Those are things that maybe I can go back and make a video, but I just wanted to show you what to do once you have those things. So where do you find most everything? Mostly it's under the Teacher's Edition. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And when I get to the Teacher's Edition, well, they keep going, let's do not show this message again. That thing is annoying. Anyways, a lot of the stuff that we're interested in is over here under this menu. And class management, that's a place where you can go and make sure all your students are added. Again, I'm not really going to talk about that here in this video very much. Resources are a little bit more interesting to me, but I wanted to show you guys the plan and present for this video, and then maybe in another video talk about assignment tracker. So plan and present. This is one quick, easy way to get to all the stuff that you need for a particular section that you're teaching. So what you do is when you go to the menu and you go to Plan and Present, when you get there, you can choose which chapter. In my case, I'm interested in Chapter 4, Equations of Linear Functions for Algebra 1. And then you can choose a section, and in this case I'm interested in maybe writing equations in standard and point slope form, maybe. This one's good too. Writing equations is, we're going to do 4-2. So when we get here, they have this nifty little thing here. You've got this where you've got kind of an explanation of teaching strategies and all that. But when you get down to teach, you actually, aside from explaining what you should do and how you can do it, they've got all the resources over here. Now there is another way to get to the resources. I'm just saying that I think this plan and present might be a niftier way to do it. And one of the reasons I like it is because you can customize this whole thing to meet your needs. So you can remove any of these resources, and you can add additional resources. And then you've got, that's a section for teaching it to students. So that's teach. And then you've got a section for stuff where you can have a student practice, and your students, they can practice here. And then you've got assessment stuff, and it's all kind of organized for this specific chapter and section that you chose. So that's why I like it. And you can customize all of it. So let's say you want to go in, hit customize, give it a name, point slope, I guess, whatever you want to call it. And then when we get in here, you can change all this. Like, let's say you have some ideas how to teach this lesson, and you like some of theirs, but you want to personalize it, make it your own. You can go in here and you can hit the little gear, and then you can edit this section and add or remove stuff as you feel. Also, of course, in every section, you can add or remove. Let's see here, open this resource. Somewhere in here, you should be able to, these are all videos. That's why I'm not able to, let's see, this is all the teaching part. So these are like videos. You also have PowerPoint and a few other nifty little things. I'm going to get to the practice part because I like the materials that are available for the kids. If you're an old hand at Glencoe like I am, maybe you came to like the study guide and intervention workbook or worksheets, and the skills practice and the word problems and the enrichment and the study and all that stuff. Well, anyways, it's all available here, and you can again, it's saying assign or open. I think I'm having a problem because I'm doing customize. So maybe I need to, how can I add or remove resources? Practice. Add or remove, there we go. Add or remove resources. So when I go to the practice section, I hit this gear, and then add or remove resources, and you can get rid of the stuff you don't want. Like, I don't need any of the Word docs. I really don't plan on going in and modifying their worksheets. I like the PDFs, and so I might remove all the Word docs. And by the way, that's the other thing I wanted to point out. You've got Word docs, and then you've got PDFs. And by the way, those Word docs you can download these Word docs. Let's see, does it give us a choice? Download. You can download any of the documents, and then you can upload them to another website if you care to. But it's kind of nice that they put it all together here. And okay, so oh, what's missing? We need the answers. So if you keep scrolling down, you get to a point where you see the study guide and you see answers. And I think all the answers are PDFs. I can't tell whether they're docs or not. But again, you can go in and you can do a number of things with these. I like just having the ability to go and find a particular set of worksheets, and I just pull it up and see. It gives me the PDF, and I can zoom in and zoom out to put this on the projector for the kids, or I could print it and hand it out to the kids. Okay, so let's get back here. So I can open up as many of those as I want, and I think once it's open I can go ahead and download that as a PDF if I would like. So, and then once it's downloaded as a PDF, I can re-upload it to anywhere that I'd like. Okay, how am I doing? I'm taking a little bit longer than I would like, so I think I might end this video right now and then start a new one to tell you some other tidbits.